How to build an AI passive income stream without coding or experience. In the digital age, artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic concept. It's a practical tool that anyone can leverage to generate income. The best part? You don't need a background in coding, data science, or machine learning to start building an AI-powered passive income stream. With the right approach, tools, and mindset, you can harness AI to create assets that earn money even while you sleep. This guide will walk you through the steps, strategies, and tips to make this a reality. But before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. Understanding AI as a tool for income. Artificial intelligence isn't just a futuristic concept, it's a practical tool for generating income. AI can automate repetitive tasks, create content, design digital products, and even assist with marketing or customer service. For example, AI writing tools can produce blogs, newsletters, or ebooks, while AI design tools generate graphics, templates, and art for sale. AI also helps optimize business processes, from scheduling posts to analyzing market trends, saving time, and increasing efficiency. The key is seeing AI as a productivity multiplier rather than a replacement for human effort. By leveraging AI strategically, anyone, regardless of technical experience, can create assets that generate consistent, scalable income over time. Choosing your passive income model. The first step to earning passive income with AI is selecting the right model for your skills and goals. There are several effective options that require no coding or experience. You can create content such as blogs, newsletters, or ebooks, and monetize them with ads, subscriptions, or affiliate marketing. AI-generated designs and digital products like templates, art, or print-on-demand merchandise can be sold online repeatedly. Alternatively, AI-powered services like chatbots or automated reports allow you to provide value to businesses for a subscription fee. Even affiliate marketing can be enhanced with AI tools that optimize content and campaigns. Choosing a model that aligns with your interests and audience demand is key to long-term success. Picking the right niche. Choosing the right niche is a critical step in building a successful AI passive income stream. Your niche determines your audience, content focus, and earning potential. Start by balancing passion and profit. Pick a topic you enjoy, but that also has strong demand. Research audience size and engagement to ensure there's enough interest to support your efforts. Some niches, like finance, health, technology, or productivity, often offer higher monetization opportunities through ads, affiliate programs, or digital products. AI tools can assist by analyzing trends, keywords, and popular content to identify gaps or opportunities. By selecting a profitable niche with a clear audience, you set the foundation for scalable, sustainable passive income and ensure that your AI-powered efforts deliver meaningful results. Setting up your AI workflow. Creating an effective AI workflow is essential for building a passive income stream that runs smoothly. Start by deciding what you want to produce: blogs, digital products, social media content, or AI-generated art. Next, select the right AI tools for the task, such as ChatGPT for writing or Canva for design. Automate repetitive tasks using no-code platforms like Zapier, Make, or Pabbly to schedule posts, upload products, or send emails. Establish clear distribution channels, websites, marketplaces, social media, or newsletters to reach your audience. Finally, set up revenue collection through ads, subscriptions, or sales platforms. Once configured, this system requires minimal daily input, allowing your AI-powered income stream to generate revenue consistently while you focus on growth. Leveraging AI without technical skills. You don't need coding or technical experience to harness AI for passive income. Thanks to no-code platforms and user-friendly tools, almost anyone can create, automate, and monetize AI-driven projects. For writing, tools like ChatGPT Jasper, or Writesonic produce high-quality content quickly. For design, platforms like Canva, DALL, or Midjourney allow you to generate graphics, templates, and digital products effortlessly. Automation tools such as Zapier, Make, or Pabbly streamline repetitive tasks, while chatbot builders like ManyChat or Tidio enable AI-powered services for businesses. Even market research and SEO can be simplified with AI tools like SEMrush or Surfer SEO. By combining these tools strategically, you can create systems that produce income, engage audiences, and scale efficiently without ever touching a line of code. AI becomes your partner, not a barrier. Growing and scaling your income stream. Once your AI-powered system is running, the next step is growth. Consistency is crucial. Regularly producing content or uploading products builds traffic, engagement, and revenue. Use AI to test variations quickly, whether it's blog topics, social media posts, or design styles, and focus on what performs best. Reinvest profits to upgrade tools, run ads, or outsource repetitive tasks, increasing efficiency and earning potential. Diversifying income streams, blogs, digital products, chatbots, and affiliate marketing reduces risk and maximizes revenue. By optimizing workflows, leveraging AI analytics, and scaling proven strategies, your passive income grows steadily over time, turning small, consistent efforts into a reliable, self-sustaining system that earns while you focus on new opportunities. Common mistakes to avoid. Even with AI, beginners often make mistakes that limit their success. One major error is expecting overnight results. Passive income takes time to grow, and AI only speeds up production, not audience building. Overcomplicating systems can also be counterproductive. Start small and scale gradually. Ignoring quality is another pitfall. AI can create content or designs quickly, but human oversight ensures value and credibility. Neglecting marketing is equally critical. AI produces assets, but promotion through SEO, social media, and email remains essential. By avoiding these mistakes, you can save time, maximize results, and ensure your AI-powered income stream develops sustainably. The mindset for success. Building an AI-powered passive income stream requires more than tools. It demands the right mindset. Embrace discomfort and uncertainty. Experimenting with new platforms or strategies may feel awkward, but growth comes from taking action. Focus on providing real value. AI can scale your output, but human creativity and insight drive engagement and loyalty. Think long-term. Passive income builds gradually, and consistent effort compounded over time yields substantial results. Patience, persistence, and adaptability are essential. By cultivating a mindset that values learning, experimentation, and problem-solving, you position yourself to leverage AI effectively, turning small steps into scalable systems that generate income while you focus on opportunities for further growth. Realistic expectations. AI can accelerate your path to passive income, but it's not a magic solution. Success requires effort, planning, and patience. In the short term, expect to spend time learning tools, setting up workflows, and creating your first content or products. In the medium term, as your systems run smoothly, revenue begins to flow more consistently with minimal daily effort. Long-term growth depends on optimization, scaling, and diversification of income streams. AI amplifies productivity, but strategy, creativity, and audience engagement remain essential. Understanding that results compound gradually helps you stay focused, persistent, and realistic, ensuring your AI-powered income stream grows sustainably without disappointment or burnout. Action plan to start today. Starting your AI-powered passive income journey doesn't have to be complicated. First, choose a niche with strong audience demand and monetization potential. Next, select a suitable AI tool, writing, design, or automation based on your chosen model. Create your first product, whether it's a blog post, ebook, digital template, or AI-generated design. Set up distribution channels such as a website, social media platforms, marketplaces, or email newsletters to reach your audience. Monetize with ads, affiliate links, subscriptions, or direct sales. Finally, automate repetitive tasks using no-code platforms to streamline the workflow. By taking these small, structured steps today, you lay the foundation for a scalable, consistent, and self-sustaining AI income stream. Thank you guys for watching. If you want more videos like this, make sure to like the video and hit subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.